Welcome to our instructional guide on how to register with 1xBet and activate the bonus using the promo code MISTERBETS. Great! Stick with us until the end of this tutorial, and I'll lead you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First things first, head over to the 1xBet website. Once you're there, click on Registration. On the left side of the page, you'll see the option to select your bonus, whether it's for the casino or sports. Now, on to the next step. After choosing your bonus, opt for On a Click. Here, you'll input your country and currency details. Don't forget the crucial step. Enter MISTERBETS into the promo code field to activate your bonus with the first deposit. Once that's done, click Register and complete the CAPTCHA. Your registration details will be securely stored. For added security measures, you may want to provide your email as well. Moving forward, select Make a Deposit. Then, choose your preferred payment method. With over 70 options available, you're sure to find one that suits your needs. After completing your initial deposit, your bonus, whether for sports or the casino, will be ready to use. It's that straightforward. Thanks for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful content. Until next time.